8 months ago, I couldn't decide anything to do without second guessing for at least 30 minutes straight. I tried everything to fix confidence, from affirmation poses, fake it till you make it. Like, all of it made me feel like a fraud wearing someone else's skin. Then I made one stupidly small change that actually worked. Not hype confidence, not loud confidence, not fake confidence, real confidence. The quiet kind you can trust. And I'll show you what I changed, why it worked, and how you can start tonight. So, here I was, living with my parents, just deleted my YouTube channel after 13 subscribers, watching all the videos about how it can change lives. No saving, constant tightness in chest, and it wasn't just YouTube. I overthought literally every single thing. Should I post this? Should I say that? What will people think? What would they say of me? I rehearsed these basic conversations in my head. I avoided eye contact every single time. I wrote things I wanted to say, but I deleted them. I pleased people even though it went against my wish. Meanwhile, I was watching other people who are same age with me just doing things and living my dream life. And I kept thinking, what's wrong with me? So I tried fixing everything from fake confidence to affirmations, but it didn't stick. The affirmations felt like lying. Confidence video made it worse because to me, all of this was just a performance. I was trying to look confident instead of becoming someone I trusted. Then I had this sentence that made me stop. Confidence is not a feeling you fake, it's an evidence you collect. Confidence is not the absence of fear, it's taking action despite the presence of that fear. That hit hard, you know. I had no evidence. So, how do I make evidence? Every day, I broke promises to myself. I was like, I'll wake up early, post consistently, work out, do a lot of work, but I didn't do anyone. So when it was time to do something, my brain would say, why should I believe you? Why? Just give me a single reason why I should believe you. That's when it clicked. I couldn't think my way into confidence. I had to build proof. I started something called an evidence journal. Every night, I write down literally just three things I say I'll do, and I actually did. Here's one of it. Nothing impressive, nothing Instagram worthy. Read books, film for about 10 minutes, replied to one message. 3. They kept promises 60 seconds. So, why it worked? First, I wasn't pretending, it was real proof. She gets. Second, it was so freaking small enough to survive bad day. The one was humbling. I followed what I planned at first. So instead of going wide paths, I used my tiny wins. Instead of read the whole book, I read one chapter or one page. Not pride, just acknowledgement. You did what you said, even it's just a little bit. So the first week, like it felt a little bit silly. Like these are so tiny. That shift happened around day 12. I messed up filming, didn't spiral. I thought kept 36 promises. You can handle one bad week. By week 3, I stopped saying I will try. I said I will or I won't. By week 5, decisions that used to take like days and hours took literally a few minutes. Even on bed, I still found evidence. Get out of bed, don't quit on yourself. The magic wasn't the list, it was showing up daily. Consistency is the key. Here's what I Here's what changed at last. Confidence got quiet. I didn't hype myself up. I trusted myself. I post without obsession or vanity metrics. I make decisions faster. I speak without rehearsing. Not because I'm fearless, because I have proof I can handle discomfort. I film a vulnerable video I would have avoided before. Posted it, same person, but different evidences. So you see, you need to try one. If you are exhausted from performing confidence, this isn't that. This, I'm going to do this, but you eventually don't do it. I know you. Tonight, open your notes app or just a notebook, write tomorrow's dates, write 3 tiny promises. Tonight, check if you kept them. Do that 30 days straight. Your brain can argue with evidence. If you are trying the evidence journal, comment I'm in. Let's build confidence the boring way, the way that actually works. See you in the next.